Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Audi has set a new benchmark in electric vehicle performance with the unveiling of the 2025 RS e-tron GT performance model. This top-tier model in the e-tron lineup is designed to captivate enthusiasts and redefine electric vehicle expectation with its impressive power and cutting-edge technology. The RS e-tron GT performance stands out with a staggering 912 horsepower, making it the most powerful production Audi to date. This remarkable power allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.5 seconds, showcasing its incredible performance capabilities. One of the key features of the RS e-tron GT performance is its torque-factoring electric all-wheel drive system, which is facilitated by a dual-motor layout. This system ensures optimal power distribution and exceptional handling, providing a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience. The RS e-tron GT performance also benefits from a reworked rear motor that is 20 pounds lighter than its predecessor. This weight reduction is achieved through revised motor and starter component, enhancing efficiency and performance. The motor and batteries are equipped with advanced cooling system, ensuring sustained performance even under demanding conditions. Audi has also incorporated a beefier drivetrain to maintain smooth power delivery despite the increased performance. The all-wheel drive electronics have been fine-tuned for each of the selectable drive modes, enhancing the vehicle adaptability in various driving scenarios. The RS e-tron GT performance features a 105 kWh battery, offering a range of up to 378 miles per charge on the European WLTP cycle. The battery's capacity has been increased by 12%, and the maximum charging power has been boosted to 320 kilowatts. This allowed the vehicle to charge rapidly, going from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes on a direct current fast charging. Styling updates for the RS e-tron GT performance include the distinctive honeycomb front grille, additional body color elements, and a prominent roof diffuser. The model also features a carbon roof with the option of an electrochromic glass roof. 9 exterior colors are available, with Nimbus Grey exclusive to the RS and a Bedford Green exclusive to the performance model. The interior is equally impressive with the upgrade seat, a new steering wheel, and a redesigned entry seals. The Audi Virtual Cockpit includes special graphics and modes, including a nod to the iconic white gauge found in RS2 Avant. The 2025 RS e-tron GT performance is available for order in Europe, with the pricing starting around $172,000. US pricing details are yet to be announced, but Audi promises a competitive package that will appeal to electric vehicle enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance and luxury.